All right, hello again. I wanted to show you a little bit about some user interfaces with your website and just give you kind of a brief overview. So I picked a stellar website. This is not something that you're going to be able to emulate right away, but it is a great example of how Tamara really uses her website to support student learning and communication with her parents. So looking at her website, this is a landing page on the Flagstone site. So if you're not familiar with Google Sites, right here is how you manage your websites. So it's pretty user-friendly. If you click this edit button, it makes it into an editable document. So you're able to change anything on each one of these pages. She's added a lot of pages right here. I'm going to send you one that's just standard. I suggest you stick to the standard tabs and just hit this edit button at the top and make your changes right there until you get a little bit more user-friendly regarding websites on Google Sites. Right here, you use it just like a Word document. When you're all done, make sure you click Save Changes. I'm happy to hold a session if you want to know how to change tabs and add pages. I can certainly do that once you're on site at Flagstone. We can do that, but that is simply all you would have to do. So I'll send you your website with these tabs right here. They'll be different. She's added a lot of pages. And then just click this edit button right here and just type in it and click save. That's going to be how you do your writing. As far as a picture, send that to me and I'll add it if you're not sure how to add a picture. But just as an overview of this, this is how you get back to Flagstone Home. You'll have that, and then the Douglas County website here. This is where I want you just to put a little bit about yourself. Once class lists go out on the 23rd, parents are going to be looking for your picture and who you are, especially if you're new. Daily schedule is something that you should add once you know what it is, and we'll talk more about that so parents know when you have specials and all that fun stuff. Homework policy, your grade level has established a homework policy, but it's important to add it to your website too. That homework policy, if they've turned it in yet, is on the resource site. Typing Pal, this is something that she's added for student support at home. Google Classroom, this is a great tool if you're, doing online learning. This is how she keeps track of all of her Google assignments. But this is Tamara is an exceptional technology guru in her classroom, so you can always look at this page and talk to her a little bit about some of the things that she does. She has a Goodreads page. She does a ton on Twitter. If you've looked at #OneFlagstone, she pretty much lived on it all summer. She put me to shame. She has an Instagram. She has her own page for Scholastic book orders, which reminds me you are not allowed to collect any money at school, so you have to have the parents do it through the book order online. I'll explain more about that. She has other links, spelling practice, classroom blog this is pretty cool. She keeps up on this with her blog for parents so that they can keep up with what's happening in the classroom. She does a really great job with that. And then 21st Century Learning, volunteer. She has tons of stuff here. She has the ROCS agreements that we've talked about. So that's a great example of a website, a teacher website that's above and beyond. But certainly I'm not expecting that of you coming in first and foremost. Just get your tabs filled out of the standard ones that are there, and then I can show you how to add things later. All right, thank you.